guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Slack app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on your name. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on primary details, just click on it here. Then you go down, come here to name a pronunciation here, just add it here. So when you just add it, you go above save, click on it, then it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.